In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam no connection error. If Steam is showing messages like no connection or could not connect to Steam network, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in most cases, you can fix it with a few simple troubleshooting steps. We'll go through the most effective methods one by one so you can get Steam working again as quickly as possible. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Before changing anything inside Steam, make sure your device is actually online. Open a website in your browser and confirm that pages are loading normally. If the site doesn't open, the issue may be with your network rather than Steam itself. In that case, restart your modem or router, wait a moment for the connection to come back, and then try opening Steam again. This helps rule out any temporary connection drop or router glitch. If your internet is working, the next step is to restart Steam completely. Sometimes the app just gets stuck during startup or loses connection in the background. To do this, open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, and choose Exit. Make sure it fully closes, then launch it again. A fresh restart can often reconnect the client to Steam's servers without any other changes. If that doesn't solve it, try running Steam as an administrator. This gives the program the permissions it may need to access network settings properly. Simply right-click your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Once it opens, check whether the connection error is gone. Another helpful fix is clearing Steam's download cache. Corrupted or outdated cache files can sometimes interfere with Steam's ability to connect correctly. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will prompt you to log in again afterward, so be ready to sign back into your account. Once you're back in, check if the problem has been resolved. You can also try changing Steam's download region. Even though this setting is mainly related to downloads, it can sometimes help when Steam is having trouble communicating with its servers. Go to Settings, then Downloads, and find Download Region. Choose a nearby region, apply the change, and restart Steam. Picking a different but still close location can improve reliability without slowing things down too much. These are some of the most effective ways to solve the Steam show connection error. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next until Steam reconnects properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your games quickly.